Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON game. Not launching or not opening, won't start, unable to open, error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first thing is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game now and check if you can play it. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. From here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. The next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. So once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. So click on it, click on yes. After that, wait for some time. Now after you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to flush DNS. So for that, you have to first open the command prompt. So go to the search option, search for command prompt, and you have to type the below command and then press enter. So I have already provided this command in the description. Just copy and paste it over here. So simply select, copy and paste it, then press enter. After that, again copy this, and then once you have done this, wait for some time and again log into the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check for Windows update. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates option. It will check if there is an update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again. This time type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues and you face the same problem, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall MECCHA CHAMELEON game and then click on the play button to check if it's working.